Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'll discuss about Unit 7 Worksheet 5. Now we solve question number 1. Add the following amounts of money. 0 rupees 25 paise plus 0 rupees 75 paise. First we add this number. 5 plus 5, 10. We carry 1. Then 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 7, 10. Then we carry 1. Then 1 plus 0, 1. 1 plus 0, 1. The dot remains in the same column in addition. So, 1 rupees. Answer is 1 rupees. Then next. 2 rupees 90 paise plus 3 rupees 40 paise. Then we add this number. 0 plus 0, 0. 9 plus 4 equal 13. We carry 1. Then 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 3, 6. Then the dot remains in the same column in addition. So, 6 rupees 30 paise. Then next. 12 rupees 53 paise plus 21 rupees 35 paise. Now we add this number. 3 plus 5 equal 8. Then 5 plus 3, 8. Then the dot remains in the same column in addition. So we put dot. Then 2 plus 1, 3. Then 2 plus 1, 3. 33 rupees 88 paise. Then you add 86 rupees 55 paise plus 21 rupees 30 paise. 5 plus 0 equal 5. Then 5 plus 3 equal 8. Then we put dot. Then 6 plus 1, 7. 8 plus 2, 10. 107 rupees 85 paise. Then next. 5, 5, 10, we carry 1. 6 plus 1, 7, 7 plus 3, 10, we carry 1. Then we put dot. Then 1 plus 0, 1, 1 plus 9, 10, we carry 1. Then 8 plus 1, 9. Then 90 rupees. Then next 6. 58 rupees 60 paise plus 39 rupees 40 paise. 0 plus 0, 0. Then 6 plus 4, 10. We carry 1. Then we put dot. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 9, 18. We carry 1. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 3, 9. 98 rupees. Now we solve question number 2. Arrange and add the following amounts of money. First A. 47 rupees, then 78 rupees and 35 rupees. First write arrange and add the amount of money. First, the dot remain in the same column in addition. So, 47 rupees 00 paise. Then 78 rupees 00 paise. Then 35 rupees 00 paise. Then we add this number. Then we add this money. 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 0, 0. Then 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 0, 0. Then we put dot. Dot remain the fixed. Then 8 plus 10, 15, 15 plus 5, 20. Then we carry 2. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 7, 16. Then 16 plus 3 equal. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 7 equal 13. 13 plus 3 equal 16. 160 rupees. Then point next B. 93 rupees 25 and 64 rupees 65 paise. First we arrange rupees to rupees and paise to paise. So 93 rupees 25 paise plus 64 rupees 65 paise. Now we add this money. 5 plus 5 10, we carry 1. 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 6 9. Then we put dot. Dot remain in the same column in addition. So 3 plus 4 7. Then 9 plus 6 15. 157 rupees 90 paise. Then next. Then 42 rupees 05 paise. Then 76 rupees 75 paise and 14 rupees 35 paise. So first we add as rupees to rupees and paise to paise. 42 rupees 05 paise. Then 76 rupees 75 paise. Then 14 rupees 35 paise. Now we add this money. 5 plus 5 10, 10 plus 5 15. We carry 1. 1 plus 0 1, 1 plus 7 8, 8 plus 3 equal 11. We carry 1. Then we put dot. Dot remains in the same column in addition. Then 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 6 9, 9 plus 4 equal 13. We carry 1. 4 plus 1 5, 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 7 equal 13. Then 133 rupees 15 paise. Then next. 80 rupees 8 paise. 8 rupees 80 rupees 80 paise. Then 80 rupees 80 paise and 88 rupees. Then we add this rupees. First we arrange rupees to rupees and paise to paise. So 8 rupees 80 rupees 08 paise. Then 80 rupees 80 paise. Then 88 rupees 00 paise. Then we add this money. 8 plus 08, 8 plus 08. Then 0 plus 8 is 8, 8 plus 0 8. Then we put dot. Dot remains the fix. So 0 plus 0 0, 0 plus 8 8. Then 8 plus 8 16, 16 plus 8 24. 248 rupees 88 paise. Then next E. 0 rupees 97 paise. Then 0 rupees 09 paise and 1 rupees 9 paise. First we arrange rupees to rupees and paise to paise. 0 rupees 97 paise. Then 0 rupees 09 paise. Then 1 rupees 09 paise. Then we add this money. Then 9 plus 7 equal 16. 16 plus 9 equal 25. We carry 2. Then 9 plus 2 11. We put 1. I carry 1. We put dot. Then 1 plus 0 1. 1 plus 0 1. 1 plus 1 2. 2 rupees 15 paise. Now we solve next point F. 143 rupees 83 paise. Then 134 rupees 28 paise. And 348 rupees 23 paise. First we arrange rupees to rupees and paise to paise. 143 rupees 83 paise. Then 134 rupees 28 paise. Then 348 rupees 23 paise. Now we add this money. 8 plus 3 equal 11. 11 plus 3 equal 14. We carry 1. 8 plus 1 9. 9 plus 2 equal 11. 11 plus 2 equal 8 plus 1 9. 9 plus 2 equal 11. 11 plus 2 equal 13. We carry 1. 3 plus 1 4. 4 plus 4 8. 8 plus 8 16. We carry 1. 4 plus 1 5. 5 plus 3 8. 8 plus 4 equal 12. We carry 1. 1 plus 1 2. 2 plus 1 3. 3 plus 3 6. 626 rupees 34 paise. Thank you.